Okay, we just concluded with the percentage strength of the solution that 25 grams of drug Z we produced when dissolved in enough water to produce 125 ml of solution. Now we are going to go into the ratio strength of the solution that we produced. In general, ratio strength is expressed in this way. 1 in what? R. 1 in what? R, which is equivalent to 1 over what? R. Now, what 1 and what R represents depends on the ingredients involved. Now that we are dealing with solid ingredients that is dissolved in a liquid, this one here represents 1 gram of the solid ingredients. 1 gram of the solid ingredient in R ml of the entire what? Solution. It is agreed that when we are dealing with weight per volume, the weight that is used in ratio strength has to be in gram, while the volume has to be in what? Ml. So in 1 in R, or 1 over R here is talking about 1 gram in R ml. Now, let's look at what we are given. We are given 25 gram in 125 what? Ml. So you can use it to set up a proportion with this to find our R. When we find our R, that means we have succeeded in finding the what? The ratio strength of this solution. Now, 1 in R ml. This 25 and 125 ml can be represented in this form. 25 gram in what? 125 what? Ml. So what it implies is this, that R ml contains what? 1 gram of what? Z. That means if R ml contains 1 gram of Z, and the 125 ml of the solution contains 25 gram of what? Z. So for us to find R, we cross multiply. So R is now what? R is now 125 ml times 1 gram all over what? 25 gram. And this will give us what? Gram cancels gram. 25 divided 125. We have what? 5 what? Ml. So in the ratio now, we now have that 1 gram of Z is dissolved in what? Is found in 5 ml of the what? Solution. So this is now 1 gram and 5 what? Ml. Remember I told you that if you are dealing with weight, solid dissolved in liquid, it's now weight per what? Volume. So this can be expressed as what? 1 in what? 5. Weight per what? Volume. So this is the ratio strength of solution that we produce by what? 25 gram of Z in enough water to produce 125 ml solution.